Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to fix your dealer is not working on your schedule 1. So there are ways how to fix your dealers not working on your schedule 1. So you want to restart the game, clear Steam cache, and validate files. So there are other ways to do that too. So if you want to fix your dealer not working, so you want to close the game and then restart, it was bound to be on the list. The tried and tested old favorite or something isn't working. So just try shutting down the game and then restart it. Take this one step further and confirm the integrity of your files if this solution doesn't work. To do this, you want to open up your Steam, right click the schedule one, go to properties, go to installed files, and then click verify integrity of game files. Another one is clear your cache. If a restart and verifying your files doesn't work, try clearing your cache. To do this, click Steam in the top left corner, click Settings, go down to Downloads, underneath Library and above Storage, then scroll down and select Clear Cache for your Schedule 1. And that is all steps of how to fix your dealer not working on your Schedule 1.